Ever wondered how people make thousands of dollars on YouTube without ever showing their face? What if I told you that you don't need fancy cameras, lighting, or even to step in front of the lens to build a successful channel? In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you why faceless YouTube channels are the fastest, easiest, and safest way to start online, and how you can start one today. Welcome to Stickdoc, where we break down faceless YouTube channels, online income strategies, and content creation into fun, simple, stick-figure animations. So if you're ready to learn how to grow a YouTube channel without showing your face, hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. A faceless YouTube channel is exactly what it sounds like. A channel where you never appear on camera. Instead, your content can be animated videos like this one, screen recordings or tutorials, slideshows and narrated stories, gaming or commentary content. And here's the key. Your ideas, creativity, and voice are what shine, not your face. Do I need fancy equipment? Nope. Many faceless channels start with a simple microphone and free editing software. Can I still grow fast? Absolutely. Some faceless channels reach millions of views in months. There are 3 big reasons to start a faceless channel today. 1. Freedom and privacy. You don't need to reveal your identity. Work from anywhere without worrying about being recognized. 2. Lower costs and effort. No expensive cameras, lights, or studios needed. You can focus on content, not setup. 3. Endless creativity. You can experiment with animation, storytelling, and trends. The sky's the limit. You control every aspect of your channel. Isn't it harder to connect with viewers? Not really. Your content, narration, and storytelling can be even more engaging. Many viewers prefer faceless channels because they focus on the value, not the creator. Still skeptical? Let's look at some examples. Channel A reaches 1 million views per video with animated tutorials. Channel B, story-based animations that grew to 500,000 subscribers in a year. Channel C, voiceover plus stock footage earning passive income monthly. The pattern is clear. Faceless channels work because they focus on value, not personality. Can I really make money from this? Yes, ad revenue, affiliate links, sponsorships, all are possible without showing your face. Here's the first step to start your own faceless channel. 1. Pick a niche you're interested in. 2. Decide your format, animation, narration, or screen recordings. 3. Create 3 to 5 videos to launch your channel. 4. Upload consistently and watch your channel grow. Remember, consistency beats perfection. Don't wait for fancy equipment. Start with what you have today. If you're ready to start your faceless YouTube journey, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and turn on notifications. Stickdoc will guide you step by step to grow your channel, earn online, and have fun along the way. Your faceless empire starts now. Let's make it happen.